সবাই কি করবে এটা? সবাই কি করবে? হ্যাঁ, সবাই একটু করেন প্লিজ। ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট।
You can do it.
হ্যাঁ,
You can do it. You can.
এই যে আমার কঠিন।
You can do it.
দুই পার্ট ভিভি
You can do it.
দুই পার্টে
Yes.
এটা তো বুঝলাম না, এটা তো কোনো বিষয় না, দুইটা কেন দেয়?
Wow. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
ও কলা দেখাইলে মোটামুটি গিলিব গ্রামার।
You can't do it. You can do it. You can't do it. You can't do it. Can you do it? Okay. Okay. Can you do it?
কেন? সবাই করেন, সবাই করেন।
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can't do it. Can you do it? Can you do it? I can do it. Can you do it?
বাঁকা করিও, সোজা করে তো হয় না।
Can you touch your nose by your tongue? No, no. I can do it.
I can. Please say I can do it. Please say I can do it.
I can do it.
I can.
I can do it.
I can. I can.
Can you do it? I can do it. I can't do it.
I can আর I
I can't do it. Okay. Can you do it? I can do it. Who can do it? Just come here. Touch your toes. Can you do it? No, I can't. No, I can't. Do it. Okay, go to your seat. I can do it. I can't do it. But I can do it. I can do it. I can't. I can't. I can't do it. Okay.
এই নতুনটা লেখো।
আমি পারি আর আমি পারি না।
এটা সামনে আনলে তো ভালো হতো।
Fingers. Can you split your fingers? Okay. I can do it. Can you fold your tongue? I can't do it. Okay. I can't do it. Can you touch your toes? I can do it.
I can do it.
Or I can't do it. I can do it. Or I can't do it. I can do it. Or I can't do it. Okay.
ও যে প্যাকেটের ভিতরে যে আছিল।
Can you sing a Or can you swim? Yeah. Can you play football? Nice.
Can you help me?
Okay, now come here, Mujahid. Come here, come to the front. Come to the front. Okay, come here, Lucky. Come to the front. Thank you. Okay. Mujahid, can you sing a song? Look at me. Look at me. Can you sing a song? I can do it. I can do it. Can you sing a song?
You're not listening to you can
Swim? Can you swim? You can or can? You can or can? What? Can or can? Can you swim?
এটা একটু ধরেন আমি
Can. You can. Then you can. You can. You can. And you can sing a song, but you can swim. Okay. Can you play football? Can you?
Yes, I can.
You can? Look at me. Look at me. You can or you can?
Yes, I can swimming.
Look at me. You can. This is you can. You can.
Yes, I can.
If you can,
Swimming for the swim.
Lucky.
I can
Can you sing a song? You can do it. You can. Nod your head. You can or can. You can or can. Can. Nice. You can. Can you swim? I can do it. I can do it. Can you play football? I can do it. I can do it. Can you clap for them? Thank you. Okay, go to your seat. Thank you. Can you sing a song? I can do it. Can you swim? I can't do it. Can you play football? I can do it. Then?
Madam, I have a question.
Yeah.
I can't do it না বলে যদি আমরা বলি
Okay, I will
can't
get your
swim.
question after some time.
Yes. Do it হলে তো একটু সমস্যা হয়ে যায়।
Can you sing a song?
Yes,
Can
I
you
can.
sing a
Yes,
song?
I can sing.
I can do it. I can do it. What's your language focus today? You are learning today. I can do it or I can do it. You can't teach all of the language in a class. It's not possible. No. If you try to do it, you will be failed. Okay?
Yes.
It's also difficult for us. We can teach them only one or two languages, not more than. We have to remember that. What's the language focus today? Can you do it? I can do it. I can do it. That's it. If in our class, learners learn these three sentences. Can you do it? I can do it. I can do it. Isn't it enough? Isn't it enough? Okay, thank you. Okay, now open your exercise book. Open your exercise book. Take your exercise book. Okay, now draw a table like this. Draw a table like this. Okay.
Madam, can I off your recording?
Okay. Take your exercise book and draw a table like this. Have you finished your drawing? Okay. Now, Shazna, come to the front. Yeah, come. Take your exercise book, please. Okay. Now, Shumi, come here. Okay. Ask anything to Shumi. Can you, Shumi? I can do it. Okay, now you tick here. You will write here. Can you? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. If a learner can say, can you swim? We have to give them thumbs up. Okay? Okay. Anything else? Anything new? Can you sing a song? I can't do it. Okay, close. Close. Okay, now go to your seat, please. Okay. Now, write 3 items here. Write 3 items here. Write on your own. Anything. Can you ride a bicycle? Or can you swim? Or anything. Can you fold your thumb? Or can you split your fingers? Anything you want. Anything. Yeah, any 3 items. Yes. Any 3 items. Maybe can you ride a cycle? Yeah. Write 3 questions in this table. In this table. Okay. Now, if you finish, you ask 4 persons next to you these 3 questions. And if the answer is I can do it, then you will tick here. And if the answer is I can do it, then you will cross. Okay? Is this clear? Or any question? Okay. Write 3 items here. Maybe can you swim, or can you ride a bicycle, or can you swim, or can you sing a song, or can you touch your toes, or can you dance? Anything. And then you ask 4 persons. Okay. Everyone ask 4 persons. Everyone. You can ask any 4. Any 4.
Can you understand the matter?
Okay, now you ask everyone ask 4 persons. Okay, stand up. Please go to another one and ask.
Can you understand the matter?
Just ask the question. Specific question.
Can you solve the problem?
Can you play football?
I can't.
Can do it.
Because